I'm out here looking real spooky. But it's the next day. I didn't get to show you guys the car during the daytime because originally my plan was to run to the DMV, get my car registered, and come back home and get the car and drive it back to work. So that way you guys could get like to see the car during the daytime. But it took a little while at the DMV and I don't want to be on my break for too long. So today I already got the car registered. Car's good now. All I got to do now, I just want to raise the car just a little bit. If you guys know, with these 8th gens, especially the Civic Si, the oil pan sits below the subframe. I used to be so worried about this when I first got my Si. That's one of the main reasons why I went bags, and I'm probably gonna go bags on this car too, not gonna lie to you guys. But the car is pretty low. It's rubbing on the stocks because it has a beefier tire setup. It doesn't have like a stretch tire setup. So I just kind of want to drive the car comfortably for the beginning stages of having this car, going through it thoroughly, figuring out if there's any things that I need and whatever, etc, etc. But about to take the wheel off, see if I could raise the car up in the front just a tad bit more, so that way it's not tucking the tire as much right now and the subframe isn't as low to the ground, so when I'm driving it doesn't rub. So for right now, that's what my plan for tonight is. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been like watching my Mexico videos. I know it's not what you guys subscribe to me for, but I do kind of like making those videos because it just makes things more personal for me, and I enjoy making those kind of vlogs, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But I'm like anxious to drop this video for you guys. You guys don't understand the amount of anxiety that I have just wanting to drop this video. I don't even know if I use that term right, but I'm anxious and I want to drop this video for you guys. I'm super excited for you guys to see it, but like I said, the car does need work. So like if you own an 8th gen, you know the fading issue that it has. So see it there, being that the car is a little bit outdated or whatever, well, it's past the recall line, I guess, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna have to just either 1, paint the car, or 2, wrap it. I already hit my boy JR up and he was saying like, yo, we should wrap the car, so I'm probably gonna end up wrapping the car. But let's get to it. It's getting kind of late, 7:42 at night. But I just kind of want to do this because I want to drive the car to work tomorrow. He also has like these like Honda cover caps. Let me darken this for you guys. He also has these like dope Honda cover caps. You guys get the point. But the coilovers actually look really brand new. You don't see that much rust on there. I was looking underneath to see if I saw any like oil leaks or anything like that. I don't see any. Looks really dry. He did tell me that he changed the axles. You could tell because the boot on the axle is like mad fresh. See, that shit broke free easily. That's how you can always tell when coilovers are like fresh. These locking rings move way easier when they're fresh. And some WD-40. Also, the cool thing with the 8th gens, once you get it loose and you like get some WD-40 in there, you're able to turn it with your hand. So I'm just trying to give it a little bit more leverage so that way it's just not super, super low. And as I go, I just give it a little bit more WD. And sometimes too, it's good to have like a nice mallet. You hit at the bottom of the coilover, that's just to shake a little bit of the rust free. And you good money. Oh, bags, baby, I'm telling you. How much I love my bags. Okay, I raise it up a little bit, not by a lot. And then you just have to measure one side and then do the same for the other. I'm gonna just raise it just a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna do a couple more times. Okay, so to me, this right here is a good height. Like I said, the car is not perfect, but the fenders and stuff for this car is not like overly expensive. I could probably pay like $100 for some fenders. And I believe these wheels are plastic dipped. Damn, bro, this car needs help. But let's go check the other side. Like you see here, it's a little bit lower, but yeah, should be good. Of course, it's one that does not want to work. I'm trying to find that light for y'all. Of course, it's one that does not want to work. The passenger side is C, so I had to drop it. Well, drop the spindle, and yeah, I'm still not getting it, man. I pulled it up, dropped the spindle to see if I could break it free from down, but it's not working. So I don't know, because I don't have the those little key wrenches that you would use to lower the car. But I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to figure something out to get it to work. All right, man, your boy broke it free, man. Fucking lit, dog. Yes. Okay, so after being able to break it free, I'm gonna get better light for you guys. 1 second. All right, so being after from breaking it free, it should be able to spin now. No problem. See, it's spinning freely now. Some more WD-40. Shit. Come on. Oh God. See, this is why I enjoy my bags. Alright, let's see what this measurement is at right here. Okay, gotta go down. Come on. Okay, so after at least 45 minutes to an hour of fighting with it, I officially adjusted this, put everything back squared away. Alright guys, so you get to see the SI now during the daytime. It's done raining. It's been raining for the past couple of days. But it has that occasional hood fade, fender fade. They did have a recall on it, but I think the recall is now done with, being that it was so many years ago. The fender kind of has like a slight bend in it. He said that someone pushed their door into it, but I don't really believe that. Someone might have hit this side, or maybe, I don't know, he may have rubbed against something. But the car is pretty clean for the most part. It does need a detail. The interior of the car was really dirty, like so dirty, but I cleaned it out. I'm trying to find my keys. But I cleaned it out for the most part. But the seats and everything is clean now. This shit was so dirty. It was like dust all up here, but being that the weekend is now here, I'm gonna go and like fully detail the interior of the car, clean the seats, clean the mats, everything. Because when I did it at night, so I didn't get to see it fully. What is good, y'all? So you haven't been in my room for a little while now, right? But now that everything's back in order, I'm back vlogging the proper way, I'm back doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I have so much Civic SI content you guys don't know. I'm telling you, I picked up so much parts. It is ridiculous how many videos I can make right now. I'm like super backed up, but I'm dropping my videos little by little for you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. And if you are enjoying it, please smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, because it really helps your boy out. I think I really figured out this YouTube algorithm. So basically, I'm starting to realize the videos that I get a lot of likes on are the ones that like get suggested the most, that gain the most traction. I'm starting to realize that. So I'm gonna really need you guys to start liking these videos for me. So I got a surprise for everyone. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on my Canon G7X, the one that I'm using right now, the one that I'm recording on right now. Alright, I'm gonna be giving it away to one lucky winner. Alright, this is like a what, $600-700 camera, to one lucky winner. Alright, I'm gonna be giving it away to one of you guys when I hit 30,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna be picking those people from a specific video. Alright, so if you guys really support me and you guys really love what I do, I'm honestly asking you guys to drop a comment down below, smash the like button, and subscribe to your boy. Alright, let's get this moving, let's get this subscription train going. Other than that, you guys know what it is. Your boy Phil S2K. I love you all. Peace.